One rated television station in Florida. This is News Channel 5 at 5:30.
In the event another hurricane strikes our area this year, a Boca Raton business will play a major part in emergency communications. It's been selected to handle all mobile medical unit calls. News Channel 5's Ted White joins us now live from West Palm Beach with more on the need for this healthcare answering service. Ted?
This business will be a valuable asset to South Florida. They'll be working closely with the Palm Beach Medical Society and their Medical Reserve Corps, a group that's made up of volunteer doctors and nurses who are trained for large-scale emergencies. During the 2004 hurricane season, the Palm Beach County Emergency Operations Center was bombarded with thousands of phone calls from medical and emergency personnel who needed vital information. To combat this from happening again, Palm Beach County leaders have hired Call for Health. It's a healthcare emergency answering service that deals with thousands of calls a day. They will now serve as the lifeline between the volunteer physicians and medical community before and after a storm.
Well, when the county goes into disaster mode, we start our services here. We contact the 225 members of the Medical Reserve Corps. We plan with them where they're going to be, if they're going to be evacuating, if so, to where, what are the needs of them personally and their families, how we can contact them, the backup steps.
Bottom line, Call for Health will operate the necessary phone calls to determine the needs of the public, physicians, special care unit posts, and designated shelters and to better serve the needs of each district in the county. Live in West Palm Beach, I'm Ted White, News Channel 5.
The #1 rated television station in Florida. This is The Night Beat on News Channel 5.
In the event another hurricane strikes our area this year, a Boca Raton business will now play a major part in emergency communications. Call for Health is an answering service that deals with thousands of calls a day. Palm Beach County leaders have hired the agency to be the lifeline between volunteer physicians, nurses, and the medical community before and after the storm.
We're anticipating a much better response time, much better communication rate, and a much better service to the community as a whole.
Last year, the Palm Beach County Emergency Operations Center was bombarded with thousands of medical calls during the two